Alright, it's that time again, folks. That's right, you in the rear. You guessed it, yard and garage sailing. So, if you're into that sort of content, head over to your fridge, grab out your favorite beverage, head on back to your screen, and enjoy this show. Because it's looking like another day in paradise out here. Oh yeah, let's get it. Time to get some gas, some fuel for the body. Oh yeah, I'll be right back. You guys stay here. You guys talk amongst yourselves. I'll be right back. Not sure why the camera's not focusing. I think I'm way too early for this one, and it started to drizzle. Out of all things, huh? My luck. I came very prepared today for these sales. It's a nice Jeep for sale right there, and then it says garage sale. It's not for sale, it's garage sale. So they're not even set up. Damn it. So I'm gonna have to come to this one on the way back at the end of the day. All right, just leaving this one. Wasn't too bad. It wasn't the greatest, but I ended up grabbing a radar detector and some jewelry. So on to the next one we go. All right, check this out. Nobody here. The first one. Wish me luck. Actually, I'm gonna leave this here so you guys can see if I can. Get my hat. There you have it, nothing there of interest. It looks promising, but it's not. And that's what I typically run into. A lot of stuff I do pass, I pass up. All right, another yard sale right here. Very good neighborhood. Let's see if we see anything here. Well, a couple of kids. All right, not too bad. Ooh, I almost reversed into the car behind me. Shit. See what happens when you film? You can mess up really bad. Anyways, I want to give a special shout out to this neighborhood. That's for sure. Nice and clean, nice and maintained. That's what it's all about. People, clean up after yourselves. Anyways, just left that yard sale. Ended up grabbing a Pac-Man game. You'll see that at the end of the video. Yeah. Special shout out to that bunny. There he is. Alright, let me get in here and see what this lady has. Just leaving that one. Man, it's looking horrible out here. Hey, shout out to this bird. Alright. Alright, I'm back to where I started off this morning, but this place was closed. He started at 9:30. It is now, that's right, 9:40. Oh man, I got Grandpa over here. See, there it is on the left. Well, coming down here was a waste of time. They had garbage. Come to find out, they had a yard sale yesterday, so all the good stuff's gone. All right, back in the office. Not that big of a day, but ended up grabbing a few goodies. Let me share with you what I ended up grabbing. Before that, if anyone is interested in any of these items I'm about to show you, hit me up on Instagram. That's where I'm at. Full time at full throttle. Also, if I say there's something I'm keeping, that means it's not for sale. Black & Decker jigsaw. Barely used. Has a few blades right there. Very good condition. Comes with the bag. Down here, brand new, extra large leather gloves. Nice little color there. I like that color with the blue trim. That's cool. Here I ended up buying a huge lot of pinball guns. So this one's a cheapie. This one's more of a name brand, more desired type gun. Also, I have a bin full of stuff. I'll show you that, or I'll put it right here. You can see all this. Just all kinds of stuff. The tanks, balls, mask, gloves, two-way radios. I don't know. There's all kinds of shit in there. So that's that. Up here, I always grab these chargers because you never know when you come across a camera in the future. So this one's going to be for an Olympus. And it's just a wall charger. Here, very rare to find one of these out and about. Comes with a case, and it's a Canon G7X. It's the original first model, not for sale. I am going to keep this one because you can probably see I make videos. So yeah, that was a cool find. To the bottom of that, another thing I keep grabbing is power cords. This one's going to be for a Game Boy. I believe it's going to be a Game Boy, yeah. Game Boy Advance SP. I noticed it from this here. I've had these in the past. So if I come across a Game Boy and doesn't have a charger, well, guess what? I have a charger, so I filed that in the drawer until I come across that Game Boy. Off to the side, this one's cool. Cobra radar detector. Really nice condition. Works, of course. Suction cups in good shape. And the power cord is in good shape as well. To the right of that, another game cord. This one's for a Game Boy. Actually, I should say GameCube. Not sure exactly how this works. I think it's an add-on to another plug and play type of deal. I could be wrong, but it is where it is. If I need it in the future, I have it. If I don't, well, I have it anyways. Down here, Tommy Hilfiger sunglasses, and they are official. I noticed, oops, I'm about to scratch them, that this nut here, this screw, somebody put a nut at the bottom, and this one's the original. Of course they don't tell you that when you're buying it. To the bottom, this came in that big lot with the paintball guns. Not sure what this goes to, but it's a buttstock, extends. So I gotta research this. Does say something right there, Tapco USA. So if you know what that is, let me know, please. I guess we'll go up here, then we'll come off over here. Close the knife. Only one knife, by the way. This is like a poncho and a hat folded. Can't really see, but you can see the look of visor. Say that's a visor poncho hat there. I mean the hat. It's a visor hat. And then you got the poncho. Brand new in the package. Also brand new in the package. Elbow pads. Camouflage. Like desert style. And over here, also brand new in the package. Extra large tactical gloves with hard knuckles. Down here, I've grabbed one of these in the past. Little Pac-Man game. Let's see if I can put on the music here. Let's see if this works. Oh, there's the start button. There it is. I'm horrible, huh? It's hard to do this one here. Anyways, you get the idea. Shut it off. And down here, case there, carry case, and a Gerber knife. Pretty interesting lock. Gotta pull it back to unlock it. And it is Gerber, as you can see. A little dirty. Gotta be cleaned up. Also, when I was going into the restroom at one of the gas stations, I found this on the floor. So, shout out to the loose change. And lastly, I ended up grabbing this. This is silver, and the diamonds were taken out. This one I definitely confirmed that it's silver. This one, I still have to test it, but the marking is very small. It's right there. Probably can see a little bit of it right there. Yep. Debating if I'm going to keep this or not, because it's always good to save, but silver, not worth that much. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick video. Hope you guys have a good one. Until the next one, cheers.